Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Beko brand dryer and you're getting an ER10 or an E10, depending on the model, it will display a little bit differently. And you're wondering, what is this error and is there anything you can do to get rid of it? So first of all, the E10 is a electrical supply error. It's basically saying there's too much electricity coming into this dryer. It risks damaging the dryer. So what you need to do to get this fixed most of the time, is actually outside the dryer. You're gonna have to figure out why is too much electricity going into the dryer. So it might be like you're on an autonomous, like a solar system or something like that, and there's just too much on that circuit. There's too much energy going, too much electricity going through that circuit. You could also get it in some kind of an electrical surge type situation. Or another thing that could be happening is you bought your dryer in one country and you're using it in another country, and the electrical protocols can be different and cause this error to pop up. But anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.